Good man. Great job, Johnny. Nice and slow, bro. And stack them tighter, you know? Watch your puddle. Damn, Donna, you're doing good. Wow. It don't get much better than that.
Okay.
Okay, hit the middle.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Okay, no.
Oh, don't worry.
Strike.
That's what those guys were laughing at. I was stuck over
Yeah.
and over and over and
What?
over again.
Strike, go ahead.
Oh, and then move it.
There you go. Nice and easy, Donna. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, right there, Donna. Nice and easy, Donna. Nice and easy.
Okay, let's hold my hand.
Okay. You're not gonna believe this, but take a look at this.
What?
Oh my god.
Holy crap.
Holy shit, baby.
They won't believe that. You know what? If you told them that came in, they would believe that.
They're not gonna believe that.
We're masters.
But that is amazing. That's Donnie's and that's Donna's. Donna's is a little shorter, but you know, that's because she's not that tall. You did good. Hey,
Badass.
you want a job?